Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about kinematic equations of uniformly accelerated motion. That is, the equations of motion. Okay, clear? I am going to take in consideration if a body initially at t is equal to 0 with a velocity u at a position x0. Then this body got an acceleration a. So it is to be at x position after t time and the velocity is v. Okay, so how we can find out this velocity and how we can find out this x by using the initial values. Okay, we'll do like that. Okay, so here I am to be taken, this body is moving in a straight line and the acceleration is constant. Two things to be important, then only we have to be derive this equation. Okay, one is the acceleration is to be constant and the body is moving in a straight line. Okay, so the first case I am going to consider what is the acceleration. Acceleration formula is change in velocity divided by time. What is the change in velocity? That means final velocity minus initial velocity divided by change in time. That is final time minus initial time. Okay, so what you will get here? So a is equal to b minus u by t. So this will come here. So at is equal to what you do? V minus u. So this u come to this side. So that is v is equal to u plus at. This is the first motion equation. Okay, so by using this equation I can find out what is the velocity at a particular instant. Okay, after a particular instant. Okay, so after a t time, what is the velocity we can find out. Okay, after a t time. Okay, then next motion equation we will derive it. So I am going to consider the formula for the average velocity. Here I am going to find out what is displacement. Displacement S is equal to final position minus initial position. What is the final position? X. And what is the initial position? That is x0. So x minus x0 is the displacement. Average velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. That is S by t. From this, what is S? V average into time. Average velocity have another formula, that is V average we can write based on this. Here u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity. Okay, only two velocities given, so u plus v divided by 2. This we can substitute it here, so u plus v divided by 2 into t. Okay, then we already got this first motion equation. From the first motion equation, I am going to find out what is v. That is v is equal to u plus a. That I am going to substitute it here. So u plus at divided by 2 into t will get. So you multiply t inside. So what will be ut plus, this is to be what will u plus u. Sorry. I'm going to first add this. So 2u plus at into t divided by 2. Okay, so and now I have to be multiplied. So 2u t plus at square divided by 2. So what I get now? I'll divide with this 2. So I'll get ut plus half at square. That is S is equal to ut plus half at square. I get, what is S value? S value I got it as S is equal to x minus x0 is equal to ut plus half at square. So x is equal to what you get? x0. This will go to that x0 plus ut plus half at square. Okay, so what is the final position after t time? This is the x is the final position after t time. This equation you can use. Clear? If you need to find out displacement, we can use this equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Then next you will see the third equation of motion. Okay. So for that I am going to take this equation. Sorry, this equation I am going to take. Okay, this equation, what is that? Displacement is equal to V average into T. Okay, so and this V average is equal to, we already got it as U plus V divided by 2 into T. This T I am going to change. We already know first motion equation is V is equal to U plus AT. From this, what is T? T is equal to V minus U by A. This I have substituted here. So what I will get? X is equal to U plus D divided by 2 into V minus U divided by A you will get. So what you will get? U plus, that is this I am going to write like this in the change. V plus U into V minus U divided by 2A I will get. Okay. This is in A plus B into A minus B form. So what I will write? A square minus B square. Instead of A and B, here V and U. So V square minus U square divided by 2A. Okay. So from this I can get it as, this will come this side. So 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So I can write V square is equal to U square. This will come this side, become addition. U square plus 2AS. This is the third motion equation. What is X value? V square is equal to U square plus 2A into X minus X naught. Okay. This is the third motion equation. Okay. These three motion equation you can use and you can find out the displacement after t time and the velocity after t time. And if you don't know the acceleration, you can find out the acceleration also you can find. Okay. But there are two conditions is to be must. That is, the acceleration is to be constant and the object is to be travel in a straight line. Then only we can apply these equations of motion.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like